Namaste. You're all welcome to the talk series by Anna Rasoi with our media awareness partner Indian Special News. Uh, Life under COVID-19 lockdown. As you all know, we are all under the lockdown, and this talk series is an effort by Anna Rasoi with Indian Special News to spread awareness on various issues related to COVID-19 and how it has impacted the lives of millions of people across the world and India, and how we can uh, actually make winning strategies to come out of this lockdown happily, successfully, and again make a better world for all. But, friends, as you know, just talking will not do. We actually need to get down to the basics. We need to understand the gravity of the situation, the seriousness of COVID-19 uh, issue, and how this virus, a small, tiny, invisible virus, it has changed the entire world. So, some of the points which I like to talk about in the talk series today, that how we are going to talk about this um, theory of development, how after this COVID-19 crisis is over, how life is going to be, and reshaping the lives, rebuilding India. And uh, today I want to focus about gaon, garib, kisan, mazdoor, and our innocent children. I think we need to focus on the village levels. It is very, very important. Seeing the migration, as we have seen the trauma of these migrant laborers, their families, little children on the roads, so hungry, thirsty, without anything, no roof, no food. I think God forbid, God forgive. We do not want to see such situation where humanity is a question mark. We are all the creatures of God, and seeing people like this on road, absolutely, it's not acceptable uh, as a human being. So we need to, I think the basics of this is we need to respect the farmers, the farmland, agriculture, produce, and the huge amount of skill which is there in the rural India. If you see all kinds of skills, artisans, and uh, mm, agriculture itself is a huge skill, how they do the farming and produce such wonderful products. They are not produced in the factory, they are all in the agri lands, and they are I salute these farmers, and I think they are the most skilled people India has. And I think today in our homes, in our offices, when we are in the lockdown, we are all surviving because of these farmers, and a big salute to the farmers. And we have realized the importance of the farmers. When the factories are shut, the retail stores are shut, the big malls are shut, who is feeding us? Who is supplying milk, and who is supplying vegetables and fruits, and the basic, the food with which we are able to live? We need to also see how these the life in the rural villages can be improved post COVID. So we have to focus on the education of the children, livelihood generation, health facilities. That how actually, if you see, Corona, COVID-19 is a big disaster. But another big disaster which is there, it is poverty. Poverty is a very big disaster. And Indian Special News, this is health special focus, and this focus is on poverty, hunger, and malnutrition. And this issue is July, August in 2017. We have been talking about poverty, which is a very big disaster, but unfortunately, nobody accepts poverty, as a disaster. Poverty is when they have no food, they have no access to healthcare, and the children have no education, they have no basic means to live a life of dignity. I think poverty is a very big disaster. And today, in this uh, talk series, I want to especially focus on uh, the village level development in the villages. It has to be really, really done on the ground with measurable results, and CSR has to be aligned with that, so that we are able to stop this migration and there is no reverse migration. So this entire theory of migration has to be converted now to theory of development. So I want to shift the focus, and I think we now need to make this a corporate talk in the schools, in the colleges, in the colonies, in the associations, in the communities, anywhere and everywhere, that India is one. Ek Bharat, Akhand Bharat, Shresth Bharat. India is one. India is not urban India, rural India, semi-urban India, urban slums, rural slums. This is not. I think let us look at India as one, and they are all our brothers and sisters, they are all our children. So we need to develop the villages so that the problem of poverty in urban slums is also addressed. This is all interconnected. So we need to have an integrated approach towards addressing the poverty, hunger and malnutrition. We have to address the issues of health and sanitation, hygiene in the villages. We have to address the issues of livelihood generation, so that they have enough. They don't need so much money as we need in the urban areas. They can live off half of the money there because it's not so costly. Cost of living is very high in cities. So why in the first place they need to migrate? It is all because of lack of availability of facilities in terms of education, health and livelihood. If we are able to create that infrastructure and that ecosystem and that support system for them, I'm sure they'll live a life of dignity in our villages, and the balancing in the urban slums will also happen, and that will all lead to a better India, healthy India. And friends, as you know, we need to fight Corona, fight COVID with all the courage and honesty. So we promote, you can always carry a cover and just maintain social distancing, physical distancing, cover your face as much as possible, talking to others while sitting with others, going out, even inside the houses, and to increase the immunity, as these are very simple things which we do every day. Have an orange, hot water, lemon water, ginger tea. These are very basic things, and we promote stay immune, stay safe, and let us all make a happy life. After the lockdown is over, we are opening up to new opportunities and a better world, a new India, better India. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.